so you can cross me off that list.
Hello you guys, in this video I'll be using one of my oldest palette. This is the Patricia Bright with Revolution. I also used the Morphe one, but I decided to completely switch to this one. And look how beautiful these colors are, extremely stunning. I'll be using that lilac color and I'll be blending in with some pinks and purples as well, but I want to kind of create something very bold, a little colorful with this eyeshadow palette, since I haven't used it in a long time. Just want to play with my older stuff to also show you and show it some love with my older stuff as well, because these palettes are truly stunning as well, and I think they perform very well. As you can see right here, very colorful. So anyways, you guys, I'll just play some music for you and I will let you enjoy the video. It's self-explanatory. We're just gonna be doing a little cut crease and putting in some shimmer, nothing new, just some eyelashes, and that will be completing the look. So hopefully you enjoyed this video as I play some music for you guys, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified of all of my videos, and let's just enjoy.
This is how it begins, on a Saturday night in the master light, with a drink in your hand. Don't be telling me twice, cause you know it's inside. You can feel it within. Gotta dive right in. Get a feel like any of your mind, oh. So go out and live. You feel the butterflies, they tell you it's right. Gotta dive right in. This is how it begins. Get a feel like any of your mind, oh. So go out and live. You feel the butterflies and they tell you it's right, oh. I'm gonna dive right in and see the sparks ignite. You know that it's right. The fire deep inside, the time of your life. You know that it's right. Heaven hold us in ecstasy. It's contagious. My heart is sweet. Embrace this new rush, and we will be forever dreaming. Now can't you see? Heaven hold us in ecstasy. It's contagious. My heart is sweet. Embrace this new rush, and we will be forever dreaming. Now can't you see?
I'm not a sadomasochist.